Ready to upgrade your personal defense? In this video, we're counting down 12 legal but lethal weapons you can buy on Amazon that don't rely on gunpowder from tactical blades and impact tools to high-powered air guns, pepper sprays, and advanced non-lethal options that can still stop a threat. I'll show features, legality tips, and practical uses so you can choose smartly and stay safe, with expert recommendations included today. Number 1. Umarex Air Javelin Pro. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro brings PCP performance to the arrow rifle market with shooter-friendly design. It retains popular features integrated Picatinny rail, M-lock slots, ambidextrous bolt, and collapsible stock while adding a flat, dark earth polymer stock, a 4,500 pound per second inch reservoir, and a Foster Quick Connect fill port. Regulated to 1,500 pounds per square inch, it provides about 25 consistent, ethical shots per fill, firing a 170 grain Umarex arrow at roughly 370 feet per second for around 52 feet-pounds of energy. Measuring 31 to 34.25 inches and weighing 6.25 pounds, the Air Javelin Pro balances lightness with stability. User-friendly features include a push-button safety, single-stage trigger, sling slot, and compatibility with the Umarex Ready Air compressor. Priced near $319.99, it's an attractive option for hunters and airgun enthusiasts seeking high-powered, non-powder precision. Number 2. Hoston Factor Sniper L. Hoston Factor Sniper L is a high-end PCP rifle built for versatility and low-signature operation. Available in .22, .25, .30, and .35, it pairs an adjustable regulator with a 700 cubic centimeter carbon fiber air bottle and 100 cubic centimeter pre-chamber to deliver consistent, tunable power. The rifle uses an energy-shrouded barrel with integrated sound moderator and 1/2 inch UNF threaded muzzle for extra moderators. Ergonomics include a mil-spec modular buttstock, reversible side lever for ambidextrous use, adjustable cheek rest, and rubber butt pad. Feeding is via detachable multi-shot magazines, up to 21 shots in .22. The Quattro 2-stage match trigger, anti-knock safety, built-in gauges, and hard case complete a shooter-focused package. It offers external regulator adjustment, a pressure gauge, and a removable Foster fill fitting. Number 3. Sig Sauer MPX Air. Sig Sauer MPX Air brings firearm-accurate ergonomics and handling to a high-quality CO2-powered pellet rifle designed for realistic training. Built to the same weight, balance, and controls as the firearm MPX, it features full metal construction with rugged polymer furniture, ambidextrous controls, and a hidden 88-gram CO2 canister housed in the stock. The semi-automatic feed uses SIG's Rotobelt magazine system, 30-round standard, for reliable cycling and rapid follow-up shots. While the double-action style trigger is long and firm, it operates smoothly for consistent shooting. Effective out to about 25 yards, the MPX Air delivers roughly 600 feet per second, .127, or 400 feet per second, .22, and provides a durable, practical platform for skills development at a fraction of firearm range costs. Affordably. Number 4. Benjamin Pioneer. The Benjamin Pioneer airbow harnesses the power of PCP air guns, blending it with the accuracy of arrows to establish a unique hunting platform. It shoots .357 diameter, 375 grain arrows at approximately 450 feet per second, creating close to 160 feet-pound of muzzle energy for ethical, longer range performance. A regulated reservoir delivers approximately 8 consistent full power shots per 3,000 plus pound square inch fill, while a 2-pound top cocking lever and trigger make operation easy from stands. The bullpup design, integrated Picatinny rail, and an included centerpoint 6x40 scope get the Pioneer ready to hunt out of the box. Lightweight, quiet, and accurate, it is ideal for hunters seeking an alternative to traditional bows or crossbows. The Pioneer remains a milestone in air-powered hunting innovation. Available accessories include quivers, spare arrows, and fill adapters for convenience today. Number 5. Excalibur Assassin X Ream. Excalibur Assassin Extreme is a compact, high-performance crossbow engineered for stealth and durability. Its whisper-quiet charger crank integrated cocking system makes readying the bow effortless and near silent, while micro-high output express limbs deliver reliable power and longevity. The ProShot match-grade trigger gives a crisp, light pull for accurate breaks, and REDS suppressors minimize shock, vibration, and noise. Shooting arrows at up to 400 feet per second, the Assassin Extreme balances a 32-inch overall length with maneuverable handling for hunting spaces. Weighing 7.4 pounds, without accessories, and 9.2 pounds loaded, the design keeps draw effort manageable at 19 pounds when using the integrated crank. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and priced $1,399.99, it's a choice for hunters prioritizing silence, precision, and ruggedness. Number 6. AEA Zeus. AEA Zeus is a .72 caliber powerhouse built for long-range impact and adjustability. Offered with 32 inches, 24 inches, and 16 inches barrels, the Zeus pairs substantial air capacity, 660 cubic centimeters, 400 cubic centimeters, 300 cubic centimeters respectively, with a side lever cocking system and a 4,500 pound square inch fill limit. With heavy projectile performance topping 1,300 feet-pounds, 32-inch barrel, 820 grains at 850 feet per second, and versatile 500 grain outputs up to 1,110 feet-pound, it delivers brutal downrange energy for big game air gunning. Weights range from 9.4 to 11.6 pounds, and overall lengths from 34 inches to 50 inches, balancing stability and maneuverability. The rifle ships without a muzzle brake, includes a robust build, and targets hunters or serious airgun shooters seeking raw power and modularity. MSRP $1,299. Easy maintenance and aftermarket support broaden its appeal. Number 7. Gogan 6 Needler. The Gogan 6 Needler is a CO2-powered revolver that fires rigid 9mm darts with surprising accuracy and unique capability. Its removable 6-shot cylinder and aluminum frame give lightweight durability and solid handling. Standard 12-gram CO, 2 cartridges fit in the grip, simplifying logistics and storage. The Needler supports single action for deliberate, precise shots and double action for rapid follow-up fire. Typical muzzle velocity with a standard valve is about 308 feet per second, while experimental high-power valves can reach roughly 398 feet per second, extending effective range and impact. A Picatinny rail accepts optics or laser modules for faster target acquisition. Ideal for niche target shooting, demonstrations, and collectors, the Gogan 6 Needler combines novelty with practical design and dependable operation. Always follow local laws and safety practices when handling. Number 8. BRK Pathfinder XR. BRK Brocock. Pathfinder XR is a super compact, high-performance PCP rifle built for hunters and pest controllers. Its lightweight 300cc carbon Kevlar bottle, paired with a Huma air regulator, delivers consistent, tunable power and excellent shot economy. The 12 feet-pound model can produce well over 200 shots per fill. A folding stock makes the rifle just 469mm when collapsed and 680mm deployed, while a short 256mm barrel keeps it fast on target in tight cover. Ergonomic polymer ambidextrous stock with an AK-style grip, slick side lever action, and removable self-indexing magazines. 10-shot .25, 11-shot .22, 13-shot. 177 ensure rapid handling. Multiple power settings, threaded muzzle, underside Picatinny rail, 2-stage trigger, and resettable safety complete a versatile, backpack-friendly package ideal for field use. Number 9. Bintac AEA Harpoon. The Bintac AEA Harpoon is a compact, high-powered double-barrel CP air pistol built for extreme impact in a small package. Offered in .4, 5.7, .495, .58, and .72 calibers. The .72 using a smoothbore for shot shells. The Harpoon delivers impressive laboratory-tested energy, roughly 110 feet-pound with short barrels and up to 150 feet-pound with long barrels. Its twin 11cc refillable cartridges, 5,000 pound square inch, can be upgraded to 18cc Magnum cartridges for greater shot counts and power. A selectable fire switch enables alternating single shots or potent double shot blasts, making the double fire setting comparable to a sawed-off shotgun. Weighing about 3 pounds with multiple barrel lengths and Magnum options, the harpoon is highly configurable for hunting, pest control, and specialty shooting. Reliability. Number 10. FN303 Tactical. FN303 Tactical is a purpose-built, less lethal launcher, offering military-grade ergonomics and modularity for law enforcement and security teams. Chambered in .68 caliber and powered by a 3,000-pound square-inch compressed air system, it feeds from a high-capacity 15 projectile drum with a clear rear cover for quick ammo checks. The compact 7.6-inch barrel and adjustable MILSTD 1913 top rail pair with folding sights and an FNS CAR style buttstock for versatile aiming setups. Lightweight polymer chassis, replaceable A2 pistol grip, oversized controls, and a manual safety inside the trigger guard simplify handling. Semi-automatic operation produces no flash or recoil, while fin-stabilized projectiles enhance accuracy and range. Optimized maintenance intervals, training programs, and interchangeable projectile types make the FN303 Tactical a complete less lethal solution. Number 11. Grimberg TYR. Grimberg TYR is a compact home defense pneumatic rifle delivering controllable stopping power without resorting to lethal force. The standard setup yields about 55 joules with a 7-inch barrel and upgrades to roughly 70 joules with a 9-inch barrel plus 7-inch handguard, and more with a 10-inch handguard. It accepts 25 to 30 round magazines and also supports M17 style 8+1 mags. An ADN 25 round drum is planned. Powered by a 9 cubic inch tank and a regulator, availability dependent, the 19-inch TYR weighs about 4 pounds and is accurate out to roughly 120 feet. Features include Magpul sling mount, MOEK, 2XL grip, Magpul handstop, and UTG Pro 5-inch handguard. Priced at $1,199, it's a practical option for responsible home protection. Perfect for modern home defense. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped you see some safe, legal alternatives to firearms. Always check local laws, train responsibly, and de-escalate rather than using force. If you found that helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with an item that surprised you, and hit subscribe for more gear breakdowns and safety tips. Stay smart, stay legal, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again. Safe choices save lives. Always.